Riwruok mar joma tingo mwandu pachoka kod riwruok mar kifwa ywak ne kembe mag pinje ma oko matingo sigo ni tiyo gi yore mag ohala ma ok kare masani rocho chal mar uchumi. Johala ma pachoka kod tije joriemb geche matingo mwandu. Koloso Mombasa, jakom mar riwruok mar joma tingo mwandu Newton Wango kod mano mar kifwa bade ma Mombasa Leonard Njiru. Joket mwandu ma pachoka gine weg loche atamalo 90 matingo mwandu. Kata kamano jogo michiwo negi lesen mag tingo mwandu makamago gin joket mwandu mawuok e pinje ma oko e atamalo mamalo.
Pata bila kufuatilia kwa kina kwa shipping lines ili nini vile vitengo vyao, vile biashara zao zingine ambazo zinashindana na sisi zitakuwa hazipo. Utakuwa hiyo abuse of dominance imeuliwa. Regulation.
The person who can address this quagmire or this stalemate, it is the Parliament of Kenya, because they have the constitutional mandate to make laws and amend those that are not favoring the local Kenyans. And I want to say this. My colleague here, chairman, has spoken about patriotism. Our forefathers went to the forest to fight for political independence. I want to call upon our leaders in every sector, and especially those in the National Assembly. What we are asking and fighting for here is economic freedom.
If a transporter has the capacity to perform, is actually the one who is performing, you would not understand why a multinational without that capacity gets the contract. You can speculate that there must be underhand ways.